Alright students, this is Sir Benjamin and I shall be taking your SS2, which literally is Geography, Economics and Disaster Management. I'm gonna post a video where there'll be a subtitle sometime, and I want you to listen carefully of how the chapter tells us about and how we'll take the classes, and which will be followed by an assignment. Chapter 1, Geography, India, Size and Location. India is one of the ancient civilizations in the world. It has achieved multi-phase socio-economic progress during the last few decades. It has moved forward, displaying remarkable progress in the field of agriculture, industry, technology, and overall economic development. India has also contributed significantly to the making of the world history. Location. India is a vast country lying entirely in the northern hemisphere. The mainland extends between the latitudes 8 degree 4 minute north and 37 degree 6 minute north, longitudes 68 degree 7 minute east and 97 degree 25 minute east. The Tropic of Cancer, 23 degree 30 minute north, divides the country into almost two equal parts. To the southeast and the southwest of the mainland lie the Andaman and the Nicobar Island, and the Lakshadweep Islands in the Bay of Bengal and the Arabian Sea respectively. Size. The landmass has an area of 3.28 million square kilometers. Total area accounts for about 2.4% of the total geographical area of the world. India is the 7th largest country in the world. The southernmost point of Indian territory in the Great Nicobar Islands is the Indira Point, that is 6 degree 45 minutes, while Kanyakumari, also known as the Cape Comorin, is the southernmost point of the Indian mainland. The country thus lies wholly in the northern and the eastern hemisphere. India has a land boundary of about 15,200 kilometers. The coastline of the mainland, including Andaman and Nicobar Island and the Lakshadweep Island, is 7,516.6 kilometers. India is bounded by the Jungfrau Mountains in the south, on the northwest and the north and the northeast. South of the 22 degree north latitudes, it begins to taper and extends towards the Indian Oceans, dividing it into two seas, the Arabian Sea in the west and the Bay of Bengal in the east. Latitude and longitude. The latitudinal and the longitudinal extents is about 30 degree. Despite this fact, the east and west extents appears to be smaller than the north-south extent. From Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh, there is a time lag of 2 hours, hence 82 degree 30 minute east longitude is taken as standard time meridian of India, as it passes through the middle of the Indian from Nani near Allahabad. India and the world. The Indian landmass is a central location between the East and the West Asia. India is the southward extension of the ancient continent. The Trans-Indian Ocean routes, which connects the countries of Europe in the west and the countries of East Asia, provide a strategic location to India. The Deccan Peninsula protrudes into the Indian Oceans, thus helping India to establish close contact with the West Asia, Africa and Europe from the western coast, and with Southeast and East Asia from the eastern coast. No other countries has a long coastline on Indian Ocean as India has indeed. It is India's eminent position in the Indian Oceans which justifies the naming of the oceans after it. India's contact with the world have continued through the ages, but our relationships through the land routes are much older than our maritime contacts. These routes have contributed in the exchange of ideas and commodities since ancient times. The ideas of the Ignatians in the Ramayana, the Indian numerics and the decimal system thus could reach many parts of the world. The spices, the muslin and other merchandises are taken from India to different countries. The various passes across the mountains of the north have provided passages to the ancient travelers. India shares its land boundaries with Pakistan and Afghanistan in the northwest, China, Nepal and Bhutan in the north, and Myanmar and Bangladesh in the east. Our southern neighbors across the sea consist of the two island countries, namely Sri Lanka and Maldives. Sri Lanka is separated from India by a narrow channel of sea formed by the Palk Strait and the Gulf of Mannar, while Maldives Islands are situated to the south of the Lakshadweep Islands. India has had strong geographical historical links with our neighbors. Thank you for listening. I shall be giving you an assignment in the form of a quiz online. I will be posting a new link where there will be a space saying submit, and you can see your own marks and points which I'm gonna submit later. Thank you.